This is the entrance. Leave your shoes outside. We take our own picture of the bride and the groom. Very beautiful. Now it works. Production of cashew nuts.
What do you do? Just put them together. That's right. Right. But it's not sticking up that. That's basically I should break it.
Here they are buried. And here they are divided. Son of a job.
Are you Danish?
Yeah. We are Danish. We are at Athangudi, visiting Athangudi Palace in this little sleepy village here in Nadu. This is the entrance. Leave your shoes outside. This is a very beautiful little palace. Look here. Wonderful. Made. This is extraordinary. Off the beaten roads. Look at this little wonder piece. This is the entrance room, I think. Oh, very special. Ganesha is smiling to the world, and here a lot of Indian gathered in this wonderful palace. Small stories are told here. This is the Bellevue courtyard, a central space for family ceremonies and traditions. More illustrations here. What is that? Oh, that dead child. This must be the newborn child. And out in the wood. Indians just love to take pictures of himself. Everywhere, every time they take pictures. And they watch the pictures they take and they laugh. And again, stories are told. Heritage. This painting from 17th century. This must be Vishnu. This must be baby Vishnu. Very beautiful patterns. Doing the big wash in the middle of the courtyard. And this is the dining room, we were told. Take care of your belongings. That's the message. And here is a little pop-up shop. You can have postcards, very cheap. The palace. This is a little mistreated palace, but we are visiting this more well-maintained palace here in this little nice village, the Lakshmi House, and they protect against evil spirits. This heritage house in Chettinad.
The majority will be Protestant Christian. Yes.
We explain about Denmark. Hello.
All the rooms are having wood engraving work like this. Wood is teak wood from Burma. Burma.
Teak. Yeah.
Teak.
Yeah.
And glass mirrors are from Belgium.
Yeah.
Belgic glass.
Belgic glass.
This is Athangudi tiles locally made.
Yeah, we just passed on the
There are
This is ivory. Very beautiful.
Please, you can see.
Now I think
This is the owners, I think. And another portrait. They are still living, I think. Father, mother, and son. And these are probably the mothers of the house. And here, a lot of family paintings and photographs in this little courtyard. This is an open courtyard. And we're going to the wedding hall. Isn't that correct? This area is famous for making tiles in every color and pattern. And Belgian glasses. This must be the kitchen atrium. This is a very long house. Ganesha and very surprising, Donald Duck. What is he doing here? I think this is wedding picture preparations.
I don't think weddings.
You don't think? This is upstairs.
Mandela.
A mandala. in the upstairs. In the upstairs courtyard.
இதுக்கே இப்படி பண்றோம்னா உன் கல்யாணம் ஆகுதுன்னா என்ன ப்ரோ? ஆமா அதான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. இப்பதான் காரைக்குடி இந்த இது இருக்குல்ல, அங்க போயிட்டு அவங்க ஒரு வீடு வந்து ஒரு இது வந்து.
Here is the bride working on the picture. We take our own picture of the bride and the groom. Very beautiful.
Yeah, that's a good one. Looks good.
This is a little handmaking
Yeah.
factory.
Handmade clothes is inside.
Oh, they're very busy here. And the weave and the weaving star.
Ja. Skal vi se dernede og se, om vi sætter det så fint ud.
No, it's very many things you can buy here. Oh, you don't have to show. Very nice. Very nice. And you also have a gala in here.
These towels,
Now it works.